Now we will discuss types of noun on a chart and easy steps. Noun has 6 main types according to the importance, and this will be divided into two major branches. We will say that proper noun and common noun. In proper noun, specific name of thing, person, e.g. Zishan, Lahore, Fransabad, etc. Then in common noun, common name of person, place, common person, place. For example, man, park, bike, etc. Then we will move to our second main type, which is noun of numbers. Noun of numbers, which is divided into two portions, that are collective noun, and in collective noun we will say groups of things, etc. Or in example we will say that family, class, etc. Then single noun. In single noun we will discuss the just, single, person are included. Like moon, sun, Zishan, etc. Then we will move to the pronoun. Pronoun is not divided into another categories. Just pronoun is used, the noun which are used at the place of noun. There are following pronouns, which are he, she, it, I, we, they, you, etc. Now we will move to the counting noun. This is also divided into two major parts: countable noun, uncountable noun. In uncountable noun there are rice, milk, sand, etc. In countable noun, person, person and time, etc. In abstract noun, quality and property represented. For example, truth, honesty, etc. Then we are going to the last part of the noun, which is material noun. As name shows, noun of material, material thing. And the example is sand, iron, floor, floor, and the cement. This is the basic types of noun which has been shown to you in this flowchart. Now we will discuss about the other parts of speech in our next lecture. Stay blessed, stay safe, have a good day.